Welcome Dreams Bikes Hubs. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 is one of the most iconic and popular entry-level sports motorcycles globally. Introduced by Kawasaki in 2012 as a successor to the Ninja 250 Revolutions, the Ninja 300 combines performance, design, and technology in a way that appeals to a wide range of riders. The Ninja 300 emerged in the context of Kawasaki's long-standing commitment to producing high-performance motorcycles. The Ninja series, first introduced in 1984, has been a symbol of sportiness and innovation. The Ninja 250 Revolutions, which was in production from 1986 to 2012, was one of Kawasaki's most, helping define the entry-level sport bike category. The design of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 continues the bold and aggressive aesthetic seen in the Ninja family. Kawasaki's focus on aerodynamics and modern styling is evident in the sharp, angular lines of the bodywork. The Ninja 300 has a distinct front face with twin projector headlights. Intermediate riders, and those looking for a light. The rear of the motorcycle features a minimalist tail section that includes a unique, sculpted design to improve aerodynamics and reduce weight. The tailpiece is connected to a large and comfortable seat that offers good cushioning for longer rides. Overall, the design of the Ninja 300 combines. Headlights are complemented by a carefully sculpted fairing that reduces drag. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 is a 296cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine. This engine represents a significant upgrade over the previous Ninja 250's 249cc engine, offering a broader power band and more torque. The engine uses a 4-stroke DOHC double overhead camshaft configuration. The front suspension consists of a 37mm telescopic fork, while the rear uses a uni-track monoshock system. Both suspensions are tuned for comfort and handling, offering a balanced ride across a variety of road surfaces. The front and rear suspensions are adjustable for preload, which allows riders. The Ninja 300 comes equipped with a single 290. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 is designed with rider comfort in mind, particularly for long rides and everyday use. The upright seating position is comfortable and allows for good visibility, which is crucial for new riders. The handlebars are positioned to provide a natural reach. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 is known for its impressive. Ninja 300's engine produces around 39 horsepower at 11,000 revolutions per minute and 27 Nm of torque at 10,000 revolutions per minute, which is significantly more than its predecessor, the Ninja 250 Revolutions. The increased power output allows the Ninja 300 to accelerate quickly and handle highway speeds. About bike, more information is already is in this video description. 20 top country prices is give in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. I hope this video more informative for you, so thanks for watching me.